Hello guys, in today's video, we are going to check out Samsung browser on Windows, if it's actually worth switching to. Let's begin. Now, fun fact, this browser has actually been on Android for years. They just finally brought it to Windows this March. Okay, so performance-wise, honestly, there's no complaints. Loads fast, scrolls smoothly, nothing feels sluggish. That's probably under the hood, but it's still Chromium. So it's not reinventing the wheel so far. But the stuff they built on top of it, that's where it gets interesting. So if you've got a Samsung phone, your tabs in history should show up. No setup, no weird login process. There's also a built-in ad blocker right over here. The privacy settings are straightforward and nothing feels bloated. Like this isn't one of those browsers you try once and uninstall after a few minutes. It genuinely holds up as a daily driver. Now, here's the part I actually wanted to test. There's an AI assistant baked right in, and it's running on Perplexity. So you can ask things about whatever the page you're on, search through all of your open tabs at once, summarize everything, or translate a specific page into English, everything. But what got me was the video context. Apparently, it can understand what's actually happening inside the video. So if you ask about something specific or a moment in the video, it skips straight to that timestamp, no scrubbing around. You can see me testing right over here. So I'm going to ask, give the time stamp on the audio quality section. Let's wait for it. So it shows here 1643. So it should be right over here, the audio quality. Now, for example, we're going to try another, right? Going to ask, give the entire song list in this video. And there we go. It pretty much provided everything I need. So go ahead, try this yourself. It's actually very good. Now, fair warning though, if you're outside the US or South Korea, none of the AI stuff is live for you yet. Some countries might already have these, but most likely you are on the waiting list if it's not yet showing up like this. All right. And make sure to log in so you can enable this feature. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.